Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Kang here, Fine and Country Estate Agents in Derbyshire. Hope you're well. Today we're in the beautiful village of Longcliffe, just outside Brassington in Matlock, near Carsington Water. We're probably about 10-15 minutes away from Matlock, also the same for Ashbourne, and even probably only about 20 minutes away from Bakewell as well. So a really great location for all the sort of golden triangle of the Peak District. Today we're here to look at this beautiful property behind me here called Lonsdale House. Now the current owners had it for a few years now, and they've completely transformed the property. They've extended all of that side of the house, so all of the side of the left of the property as you look here is all brand new. They've added extra barns, some stables, some storage facilities, there's a menage, there's lots of little paddocks for horses, there's another sort of space and a parking area where they've actually got their current business running from as an office. And the main thing and the star attraction is what they've done with the property itself. It's now a really super contemporary, modern 5-bedroom, 2 ensuite property set in this glorious acreage here, probably just under about 4 acres here. There's potential to rent some further fields from the farmers as well, and today we're going to take a look around. So yeah, the house is fantastically set up for equestrian facilities. As you can see, the horse behind me here, there's actually 5 stables in this block, a separate tack room, a separate storage room as well. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, well, thank you very much for watching this video. As I'm sure you'll agree, an absolutely stunning property here, amazing place to ride the horses. You've got a fantastic arena here, you've got the beautiful house behind me, really nice formal gardens, fantastic views all the way around, and you've got these fabulous storage facilities here that you could run a business from, or just like these guys do, they run a business from home. And then obviously got the equestrian facilities as well. Lots of bridle paths, lots of walks, an absolutely fantastic place to live. So if you'd like to learn more about this property or arrange a viewing, please drop me an email or give me a call on the details you're about to see on your screen, and hopefully I'll see you soon.